No doubt about it, this is the most devastating day in NBA history.
Folks were out here mountain biking this morning and saw an aircraft in distress that went down into the hillside.
It was a helicopter.
Oh, a helicopter?
The Sikorsky S-76B is the absolute pinnacle of executive transportation in the sky. It's the limousine of the sky.
Our Zobian was a very experienced pilot. He had flown for 13 years, and in addition to flying Kobe, he had also flown a lot of other very high-profile clients.
This pilot was Kobe Bryant's and his family preferred pilot and also preferred helicopter company. He exclusively would request this specific pilot.
The pilot had flown the same route the day prior. He's aware of the route, he's aware of everything.
But because of the presenting weather challenges on the morning of the accident, they had to alter that flight, and they took a different route to their destination. It's significant that the police and sheriff's department grounded their helicopter air department. It tells you that that division felt that it was not safe to fly that day.
So when the pilot and all of his passengers took off from the John Wayne Airport, air traffic control told the pilot that the weather was instrument flight rules. That meant the pilot had very limited choices.
What's interesting about helicopter pilots is they don't get a lot of instrument time. He had 8,500 plus hours of helicopter time, but he had only 75 hours of instrument time in his entire career, and 68 of those were simulated instrument times.
And as he neared Burbank, he saw that the weather conditions were even lower than what was forecasted. That should have been a big red flag.
The pilot advised they were climbing to avoid a cloud layer.
Contact is terminated between air traffic control and the pilot. That effectively means that the pilot is on his own. This accident did not need to happen. This accident was entirely preventable.
What happened in the final moments that brought down that doomed flight? Next, in part 2.